Receipt?
What?
I'm checking the receipts. It's reverse receipt day.
You working there?
No, you show me and I pay for you.
We want to cover your groceries. Bob,
This one is two.
2 receipts.
Yes, like
This one's from last week.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
This one's from last week.
120 there
Yeah. And what you do here?
to help.
giving back.
120, so 120. So here, take this, 120. Thank you so much. Ma'am, how much were your groceries? How much were your groceries?
$34.
34? There you go.
Why?
Free food today. I'm giving back. Pro West Roofing, we had a really good year.
Thank you
Yeah, of
so
course.
much.
Thank you.
God
Let me get
bless
some of that.
you. God bless you.
Have a good day.
you.
Ma'am, can we see your receipt?
Oh, yeah. I have this one,
What's the total?
2087.
2087?
Yeah. And then I have
Okay.
the receipt for this.
Here, we're just going to pay for that for you today.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's Christmas time.
No, I can't take it.
No, you have to. You have to. It's the reverse receipt check. I don't work for Walmart.
Oh my God. Can I give you a hug?
Of course you can give me a
Oh my
hug.
God,